Hello everyone, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to study subject English, chapter number 14, a lesson 4. In this chapter it is given, it's related to the character of human as well as the animals. So we will start this chapter with the help of the textbook. So guys, let's begin with the textbook. Chapter 14, a lesson for all. In this, it's given, it's related to characters of human as well as animals. Now in this lesson there are so many characters like newspaper boy, milkman, a worker, school bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Miss Patel, a housewife, Mr. Desai, a businessman, mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi, a housewife, Nidhi and Madhu, Mrs. Joshi's daughters. And in this lesson there are animals also like rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, deer, birds and tortoise. Now guys, these are the characters which the humans were played and animals. Now let's see which are those characters which is played by humans and animals. Now a city street early in the morning. It's okay. So the street is littered with plastic bags, cartoons, tins, cans, broken glass, old tires, waste paper balls, bags and other garbage. Entered Mr. Desai. Looking out into the distance. Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on the time? It's 9 o'clock. Almost time to leave for my office. Looks out again. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copies. Now goes into the wings and return with Mr. Patel. Now Mrs. Patel. No, Mr. Desai. The newspaper boy hasn't been delivered. The newspaper has that. Nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting his morning cup of tea. See guys, what the reply given by Mrs. Patel. What the reply given by Mrs. Patel? Now the newspaper has delivered, or else even milkman also have not turned up. So Mr. Patel is so grumpy and he is waiting for a cup of tea. Now Mr. Desai. Very strange, and look, the state is waiting for his morning. Very strange, and look, the street is simply shocking. See, all the garbage is put it in the ground. So what Mr. Desai were given the line, so he has told, very strange, and look, the street is simply shocking. Now Mrs. Patel. My words. See here. My words. What's this? Where did all this litter and garbage come from? See, Mrs. Patel replied, my words, what's this? What's this? Where did this little litter and garbage come from? Who replied this? Mrs. Patel. Very good. Now, see guys, now the next is, enter Mrs. Joshi with her daughter. It's okay. Mr. Desai, I rather late from the office last night and the street was bad then. How did all this rubbish gather here overnight? Who replied this? Mr. Desai. Now suddenly Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. Okay, now Madhu, oh, ouch, my foot, it hurts. Mrs. Joshi, oh dear, Madhu, are you all right? Who asked this question? Mrs. Joshi asked this question to Madhu. Oh dear, Madhu, are you all right? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help please, somebody help please. See, Mrs. Joshi told to the neighbor like, somebody help please, somebody help. The reason is because Madhu is fallen down and now she having the pain and also the bleeding is bleeding, so that is why she need the help. Now Mrs. Patel, so look here, Mrs. Patel, Nidhi, run and fetch doctor. Mrs. Sawant, request her to come quickly. Do you know why she request her to doctor to come quickly? Yes, because of the injuries of Madhu. Okay, your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle. It's okay. Mr. Desai, I will get some ice at once. Guys, why Mr. Desai given this line like कि I will get some ice at once? क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो इंजर्ड हुआ था वहाँ पे हम आइस लगाएंगे तो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द आइस जो ब्लीडिंग हो रहा था, जो खून निकल रहा था, वो शायद स्टॉप हो जाए. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ही हैज गिवन द लाइन आई विल गेट सम आइस एट वंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज मिसेस जोशी, ऑलमोस्ट इन टीयर्स. My poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? Who asked this question? Mrs. Joshi, very good. Mrs. Joshi with the tears eyes, she has asked, my poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? Mrs. Patel, look around, it's not just broken glass. See, Mrs. Patel given the line, not only the broken glass, apart from this broken glass there are so many unbelievable things which is here. जो हम सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर पड़ा हुआ है. So who replied this? Mrs. Patel, look around, it's not just broken glass but, see, Mrs. Joshi now, dear me, what nonsense. This is unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish come from? Now Dr. Sawant enters with Nidhi. She has a doctor's kit. Now Dr. Sawant, let me see the wound. Let me see the wound. दिखाओ मुझे वो जख्म कहाँ लगा है. Let me see the, मुझे देखने दो. Let me see the wound. Mr. Desai, here's some ice to stop the bleeding. Who give the ice to stop the bleeding? Mr. Desai. उन्होंने क्या बोला कि यहाँ पे कुछ आइस है जो ब्लीडिंग को स्टॉप कर सकता है. So okay, well, fine. Now Dr. Sawant. Dr. Sawant, what presence of mind? Good. Applies ice on the wound. There now, it has stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. Oh my God. See, he has applied the ice and because of this the bleeding was stopped. But the cut was deep. I will dress the wound and she will be fine. Who given this line? I will dress the wound. Dr. Sawant. मैं क्या करूँगा, पट्टी लगा दूँगा और जो जिसको लगा है लाइक सो वो मधु तो क्या हो जाएगी, पट्टी लगने के बाद वो फाइन हो जाएगी, ठीक हो जाएगी. मिसेस जोशी, थैंक यू डॉक्टर, थैंक यू सो मच, so kind of you to come at once. But I am going to complain to the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the ground? See what Mrs. Joshi told. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much for coming and dressing the wound of my Madhu. But what I will do? I am going to complain to the mayor. ये किसने बोला? जोशी ने, मिसेस जोशी ने. हैव यू सीन, क्या आपने देखा द रबिश एंड द लिटर ऑन द रोड, जो यहाँ पे गंदगी और जो गार्बेज पड़ा हुआ है रोड पे. हैव यू सीन, आपने क्या देखा? डॉक्टर सावंत, ओफ इट्स अ मिस्ट्री, ऑल दिस गार्बेज वर नॉट देयर यस्टरडे एंड नाउ जस्ट लुक, ओफ इट्स अ मिस्ट्री, हु टोल्ड दिस? डॉक्टर सावंत. ये कल तक तो गार्बेज नहीं था, फिर आज यहाँ. सो जस्ट लुक. नाउ enter newspaper boy, milkman, the workers, etc. Let's see. Mrs. Patel. The mayor must not have seen. Look, the newspaper boy. He is limping. And the milkman at last to the milkman. Where's your bicycle? And why are you so late? Who asked this question, guys? Very good. Mrs. Patel asked this question to milkman at last. To the milkman, where's your bicycle? And why you are late? Now, milkman. The tires were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk cane. Oh my God. Because of the puncture of tire, milkman was late. पंचर होने की वजह से, टायर पंचर होने की वजह से मिल्कमैन क्या हो गया? लेट पहुंचा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी व्हाट द आंसर गिवन बाय न्यूज़पेपर बॉय. ये क्यों नहीं पहुंचा या क्यों लेट पहुंचा? न्यूज़पेपर बॉय. And I tripped over an old tire and sprained my foot. It was quite dark early this morning. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. So this is also happened because of that litter or the garbage. Now Mr. Desai, I see something must be done. Who told this line? Yes, very good, Mr. Desai. I see, oh I see, something must be done. कुछ तो भी करना है. Now, see guys, still here we have seen the role of, yes, very good, Madhu, Mrs. Joshi, Mrs. Patel, Mr. Desai, Dr. Sawant, milkman, as well as the, yes, milkman and very good newspaper boy. Now let's see the bus driver. Bus driver enters carefully, avoiding the litter. See here the bus driver, bus and the bus driver. It's okay. Bus driver, Mrs. Joshi. Mrs. Joshi, I am sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It looks like an obstacle race course. Who told this line? Bus driver. Bus driver told to Mrs. Joshi, Mrs. Joshi, I am so sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. The reason behind is because of litter. There is nothing on the road but लिटर इज दैट. सी गंदगी है वहाँ पे, कचरा है, कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है सिवाय गार्बेज के. येस, वेरी गुड. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इट लुक्स लाइक एन ऑब्स्टिकल फॉर मी टू ड्राइव. वेरी गुड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, मिसिस जोशी. आई नो आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड फॉर द मेयर एट वंस. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. Who told this? Mrs. Joshi told this to the Yes, bus driver, I know this. I am going to send for the mayor at once. And why she has given the line like I am going to send for the mayor at once? To see the garbage which is on the road. Now the next is a walker. No one is safe. Who told this line? Yes, Mr. Hawker. He told no one is safe. Let's request the mayor to come and see for himself. He has given the line कि कोई भी यहाँ पे सेफ नहीं है. हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे किसको? मेयर को कि वो यहाँ पर आए और देखें कि यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ें हैं. Now next is Mr. Desai. I will fetch him. And he exits. Now enters again with the mayor and his retinue. Let's see. Mayor. Annoyed. Unbelievable. Shocking. How do you expect people to walk all this rubbish? Why don't you all dispose of the garbage properly? Who given this line? By mayor. What he has said? He told, how do you expect people to walk around this? Why don't you all dispose all this garbage to the bin? So Mrs. Patel, but we do, Mr. Mayor, we give our garbage to the garbage collector. It's okay. Well, now Mrs. Joshi. Yes, we don't litter our streets like this. Who told this? Mrs. Joshi told this. We don't litter our streets like this. हमें इस तरीके से अपने गलियों में या रोड पे कचरा नहीं फैलाना चाहिए. Okay. Now, Mr. Desai. Or see the next option which is given by Mr. Desai. Or we take it to the dumping ground near the river side. Who told this? Mr. Desai told this कि से हमें गंदगी नहीं फैलाना चाहिए, गंदगी नहीं, कचरा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, या अगर फेंकना चाहिए तो कहाँ पे फेंकना चाहिए? Into the dumping ground near the river side. Now the next, away from the pier, the rains then wash it away. Now what the line given by the Mrs. Patel? See, or the winds blow it away. See the options which is given by Mr. Desai as well as the Mr. Patel. Now the next step is mayor. What the step is given by mayor, or what the line is given by mayor is, let's see. Then how did it come back into the town overnight? See, Mrs. Joshi given the line, we don't have to throw a litter on the ground or the street. And Mr. Desai given the line, we have to take the garbage and dump ground near the river. Okay. And Mrs. Patel were given the line, or else the winds blow to take the garbage away. Fine. So everyone were done the good things. Then why this all garbage or the litters come back into the town? Okay. Now bus driver. That's the problem. That's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery. किसी को भी नहीं पता है कि ये लिटर कहाँ से आया है. So that's a mystery. Now newspaper boy. It looks like someone has done it purposely to spoil our town. Who told this? Newspaper boy. Very good. Now Mrs. Joshi. And endanger our children. Obviously, yes, it's correct. It is endanger to our children. Now, milkman. And hinder our daily walk. Because of this garbage or the litter, it is hindered to our daily walk. Now, let's see what the word given by mayor. We will not tolerate this. Who told this line? This line is given by mayor. We will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone. Who has done this? Now I have to check it. Who have done this and who are going to thrown this all garbage. So now I will see this. I will not spare anyone. Who is responsible for this mess? Who is responsible for this mess? See, who given this line? Mayor. अब मैं देखूंगा कि किसने ये सारे कचरे को यहाँ पे लाके फेंका है. सो आई विल नॉट टॉलरेट दिस और वी ऑल विल नॉट टॉलरेट दिस. नाउ लेट्स सी. नाउ द रोल इज ऑफ एनिमल. Still here we have seen the character of human. Now the next is we are going to see the character of animal. Let's see here. Enter animals who have been hiding: deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, deer, etc. Each one comes out from its cover turn by turn, saying, "Chalo, let's see." Animals. See, Mayors given the line. Who are responsible for this? Now let's see. Animal. He replied, "We are responsible." Who told this? Animals. Who responsible? We are responsible. We have brought in all the litter. We have spread the garbage all over the town. So who are the responsible for spreading this garbage? Yes. Animals were the responsible for spreading the garbage in the town. Very good. Now deer. Yes, we confess we did so. Who told this? Deer. Very good. Now let's see the word which is given by Mayor. What? What? You? How dare you? Who told this? Mayor. How dare you spreading this all garbage in the town? Okay. Now Mrs. Joshi. What right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? Who told this? Mrs. Joshi. What she has told? She told, what right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? आप किस हक से हमारे टाउन को स्पॉइल कर सकते हो? आपकी कौन सी राइट है ये? सो दिस लाइन इज गिवन बाय मिसेस जोशी. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज बियर. Let's see what the bear were given the line. Comes forward. We have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Tell me, what right do you have to dump all this in the forest? The forest is our dwelling place. See guys, what the bear given the line? See, we have only brought back to you what belongs to you. हम सिर्फ ये सारी चीज़ें आपके सामने लाए ताकि आप इसको देख सके. ये सारे आपसे ही बिलोंग्स करता है. आप किस अधिकार से ये सारी चीज़ें फॉरेस्ट में फेंके हो? ये किसने बोला? बियर ने बोला. नाउ द थर्ड इज बर्ड्स. आवर ट्रीज आर डाइंग एंड वैनिशिंग बिकॉज ऑफ यू. बिकॉज ऑफ यू. Where can we roost or build nest? See, birds were given the line. These all were happening because of you. It means वो सारा जो रबिश कचड़ा था या सारे जो गार्बेज थे वो किसने फेंका था? ह्यूमंस ने फेंका था. वेरी गुड. नाउ द स्क्वायरल. एंड वेयर कैन वी लिव? और हम कहाँ रहेंगे? Next is rabbit. You are worried about Madhu being injured because of sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones get injured too? See, आपको सिर्फ टेंशन था तो वो मधु का जो वो शार्प ग्लास की वजह से इंजर्ड हो गई थी. क्यों आपको और किसी यंग्स का टेंशन नहीं था जो कोई और उसी से इंजर्ड हो सकता है? ओके. नाउ मधु एंड निधि. ओके. Before this, okay, dear. Yes, and we have no doctor. Who told this? Dear. Dear given the line. Yes, we don't have doctor to dress their wounds. Our young ones simply die. So, the next is Madhu and Nidhi. Oh no, how shocking and rebel. So sorry. Now we got it. Not to spoil the town, not to throw the garbage on the road. Now the next is tortoise. All the fish in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dumped in the water. So how we suffer because of chemicals and poisons. So now what we have to do? Not to throw the garbage on the river. Now beer. And so many animals who drink the polluted water fall ill and die. Now let's see what the answer given by the Dr. Sawant. Yes, it is unfortunately true. Actually, now the Dr. Sawant and rest of all were accepted the false which is done by them. Now peacock. So we called a meeting. And decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. We don't need it. See what peacock were given the line. See, as he told us, so because of this, because of you, we called a meeting and we decided to return all this dangerous stuff back to you. Now beer. Anyway, we were not as cruel as you were. We have only returned the garbage. We have not poured chemicals and poisons onto your settlements. Now Mayor, I see. You animals and birds do have a point. You all are right. आप लोग सही हो. And you having the point. हमें पता चला कि ये सारा कचरा हमने ही किया था. So okay. Now Mr. Desai, you have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers or lake. Now आपने हमारी आंखें खोल दिया. And now we all comes to know कि हम आज से ये सारे जो कचरा है या सारे जो रबिश है वो हम सही प्लेस पे डंप करेंगे, डिस्पोज करेंगे, ना कि उसको रिवर में या लेक में करेंगे. Now Mrs. Patel, but where can we dispose? अब see now again questions है और भी क्वेश्चन है मिसेस पटेल का. अगर हम यहाँ नहीं डिस्पोज करें तो फिर कहाँ करें डिस्पोज. मेयर, if you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. See, I think it is good. ये सही है कि हमारा जो कचरा है वो सही तरीके से डिस्पोज हो ताकि उसका रिसाइकल हो सके, उसको सही तरीके से प्रोसेस कर सके. Now, Mrs. Joshi, good idea. Let's do just that. Everyone were agreed. The word of Mayor. Now Mayor, let us save our mother earth from further harm. Who told this? Mayor. To the animals, thank you so much. Dear animals, for teaching us a lesson so effectively. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil your homes. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics. Some animals, thank you, Mr. Mayor, thank you. They returned. Who returned? All the animals saying the thank you to Mayor, they returned. Now Mayor, self, help this best help. Let's clear this up. All including the mayors start picking up the litter. Now see the dustbin is here. Now come on guys, move to the board. Still here we have seen how the characters which is played by the humans as well as the animals. This way we have seen the character of humans as well as we have seen the character of animal, how they have played their role in this. Okay. So we have seen how they have seen how was the character of the humans. We have seen the role of newspaper, milkman, hawker, school bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Mrs. Patel, Mr. Desai, mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi, Madhu and Nidhi, as well as we have also seen the character of animals. So in this way we have covered the whole chapter. Fine. Now the remaining is of question answer. Next video में इस chapter से related question answer भी मैं आपको दे दूँगी. Fine. So you will just go through the video, try to understand the chapter. If you having the doubt related to the chapter, so you can ask. Fine. Okay. सो टिल हियर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड नाउ, फाइन। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट किसी नए चैप्टर